Okay, yare. Lang kung si. Okay, machine talk to Shana will be talking about cockroach. Cockroach na siya ikoy na tamdoy siya anini. One about the morphology. Cockroach ki masak hana khangani. Wari sabale pasi record tawri. And another one is anatomy yunga. Masak khanga kanda manung amu yengdawa. Digestive system na kamay tawi. Nervous system na kamay tawi. Reproductive system na kamay tawi yengdawa. Morphology sa nang sawe. Aduna will first complete morphology. Ngasi ay morphology lotion mo ng brain. Yare ko. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯁꯇꯨ ꯗꯦꯠ 5ꯗ ꯁꯔꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄꯗꯨ ꯎꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯗꯦꯠ 5ꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯗꯦ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯃꯟꯗꯦꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯉꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ BTS 4ꯒ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯟꯗꯦꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ Now ꯌꯥꯔꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯤꯔꯥ So we shall start with ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯁꯤ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ So we shall start with the first one that is morphology sina hana horasir Now we'll be talking about morphology of cockroach. Cockroach की morphology से होद्रिंगाइदा scientific name of cockroach से कई को गया Periplaneta Americana को American variety ने India दा लेगी ना के मायने लाइक इसे and the other like oriental variety को इफॉर्म अदुबु लाइक याव से तुम piracy Periplaneta Americana Sima Anisubado cockroach they are omnivorous oibane koidi omnivorous they can survive on anything and go amana body of cockroach body see they are covered with their body is covered with chitinous exoskeleton na covered tawi chitinous exoskeleton muna tau ko chitin hariba chemical set mas mo na resistant oiba high temperature low temperature tolerate to bumaba adumaba chemicals amane mas aduna cockroach being omnivorous their body being covered by chitinous skeleton and they possess many sense organs foreign sense organs hariba pieces may have yawana marga cockroach can survive anywhere when marakashudum like ashaba marakashudum like papangudi makale cockroach is distributed worldwide yani ko aduna smaina khaibam khalai bani if I say any nuclear explosion go bama thuwa adai tari the only animals that will survive is cockroach only and am halaso ling like mas yare ko jointed appendages like bani link ko physical mobility su sense organs me aweba body since armored with a chitinous armor yare ko at the same time they can survive on anything taning machar mongambe aduna sigumba properties like bana moi ki adaptability power siang wangi haido yare ko I sigumba hogala pressure kana da bisle ya focus will directly focus on the morphology na inarasi na fasiko sisu dang thamge sir slide amu da wina na inasi yango cockroach ki body se stay hodrom ni muna tabiro ko body of cockroach is divisible into 3 parts I simul kya yani na single picture okay okay yung body of cockroach it is divisible into 3 parts cockroach ki body se part hum thong na divide to yai muna thoi chan ta se ko pa mari kai para kini ba koi it has got head part it has got kayo thorax and it has got the abdomen so when head thorax and abdomen and ahum thokna khaidwe. Neck se head ka thorax ka ki marakta yamna short oiba delicate oiba neck region amati yawe. Adu yeng bodari uroi kaidobe uroi thaino du so emer yela kala kala ke. Ana neck region yamna tiengo uganda bana maram parga count to ma body part wakna matam. Yale head part of the cockroach, the head part of the cockroach is made by fusion of 6 segments. Segment humna tarukna fused or semi 6 segments. Adult cockroach tati uroi ko. Young oringai matam the juvenile oringai matam the city fusion di march uye. Adult oritari completely fused over ni city fusion si uroi. I did when young the juvenile cockroach na so that you won't be able to see all the 6 parts of the. Yani ko. Head part it is made up of 6 segments. The head part also bears head part mouth part mouth head also possesses the mouth. Mouth mouth in cockroach is said to be hyponatrous. Hyponatrous. Muna tao ko yam numai bani fasang khangi tarjo. Hyponatrous si cockroach to body never. Body duga head duga perpendicular or never sign. And the mouth is directed downward. Mouth say hypo, makaron don't believe so. If the head is perpendicular to the body and the mouth is directed downward, such type of mouth is said to be hyponatrous mouth. One more, mouth say mouth are of biting and chewing type. Grinding the tail. According biting chewing grinding mouth biting and chewing type. Adana biting and chewing type adine. Foreign moise puts a bite over niva. Just stop and grind over the grind over the that's the track. We'll be discussing about it one expensive. Equity kind of grant a motor molar premolar yours yapung yours side it over them. Cockroach study. Chop it on the pick at the company do your son the other that's the tricks that my personal no structure meow one in a civil. Sisima hana kangani. Then Sibok Tang Tamgige Amo thoracic region DNC thorax region say it is made up of 3 segments. Segment home na sai. Segment home say adult versus juvenile versus urani. Siladi. Segment home say kada kana no have matamda magi oinadi ithomge ama sidi yam lehoren yellow pudawana pake buko. The 3 segments of the thorax are called prothorax, mesothorax, PAD South ke ko hanamte evaluate and metathorax. Metathorax. Thorax regions are important, right? In the thorax region, especially like walking legs and the wings. Abdomen is made up of 10 segments. Abdomen is 10 segments. Especially abdominal regions, many of the important organs and normally reproductive organs. You see, abdominal regions. Seeing our Tamgige, Amokasu Yexigon. I Amokasu Noida Shinabagi, Tanza Pirakige, without you. Ante Hana Yekige. Not that it blind Venetian, the Kaimoton not from the Amohela give. Yamo Sir Hana Yekige Munataba. Amaga Hapsel Hoksira Swai Matan Sari Nashla. Fujikito Kangigo, Sinida. Siko Kroski Mako Meva. Yaniba, yeah, that's sort of a Kayawe. Simak niya lay doon. Next, very short. And consider todo. This is head. The mouth is directed downward. So this is the thorax region, and this part is the abdomen. Thorax region is segment segment of 1, 2, 3. Prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. So this is segment taratong kaidokiwane. Yexinay kumaktan ko. Ay matang sida amatang hapoge ko. Body of cockroach is made up of chitinous exoskeleton pieces. I target body is made covered by chitinous. It's talking chitinous exoskeleton pieces. High pieces things we call it scleroids. Listen. Scleroids. A cockroach dog. See cockroach never certification. Cockroach no the mamma mago layba, mago abdomen layne. No cockroach. Pagka tardi cockroach ki dorsal surface to ni nesina. Kaiba china cockroach ki mabuk ki serup to ne. Cockroach se no sumaina layba urabe. I abdomen part. You have seen many segments like this. Uraba. Sumaina segment may have been mabuk. Segment just consider only one segment, just pieces. The mother ki surface and the makha surface and the draw. See, every segment it is covered by chitin ki piece na covered over it. Those chitinaceous piece se kay ko scleroids hai ko. Yare ko mathak thanga dorsal surface to covered over with scleroids hai. We call it kay ko na targam hai ko. Targam mabuk se sina we call it sternum ko. Targam sternum. Aduga side se nakan se another pieces on the fire. This pieces is called pleura. Sina kay ko NCRT da pleura di pandabni ko yet panbang kapila har here. Noi sarna hiding is a khandi ko. Cockroach transverse section ka akanga you will be able to see the dorsal surface and the ventral surface. The dorsal surface is covered by a chitinous piece called while the ventral surface is also covered by a chitinous piece called such chitinous pieces are called scleroids. Scleroid to the matha on the labor na targam go. Mabuk on the labor na sternum go. Side the suma labor na side the lace na pleura go. Pleura say listen. Pleura is attached to the targum and sternum. Sila na piramasi side the lateral dagi. Napi se membranous structure of the napir. This membranous structure is called spelling se call is arthrodial. I go. NCRT they only arthrodial membrane coil. Wait. Siyong cockroach ki managani kay ko wano. Managan nate ko targam ko siya. Managan dubu cover to riba chitinous piece to. Targam mabuk to cover to riba chitinous piece to na sternum. Managan ga mabuk ka saita samnali do na pleura. Pleura se anishda membranous structure mana nappe heba sarnai se. That membranous structure to kay ko ba arthrodial membrane ko. Yare ko sima. Okay, sige idea sima ko hana kung sima makasa tadrinay. Yare ko. Now, in guess when I conduct body of cockroach part ke divisible or head, thorax, and abdomen. Head is made up of how many segments? 6 segments that get fused. Fused of the 6 segments. Then 6 segments have to head refill mouth. Mouth se current mouth biting and chewing type and it is hypermetals in nature. Thorax reason से segment क्या है segment of humna prothorax salama, mesothorax salama, metathorax salama. अदुई बारी तुम सुमातन रहे खंडर सिन. Abdominal reason से segment क्या है 10 segment है. We'll discuss all those segment. यारे को matang सारे गाइसला body of the cockroach. The body of the cockroach is covered by chitinous piece na covered toy. Mapa na pero. Those chitinous structures are called scleroids. Dorsal surface na piba chitinous pieces ito na targa. Ventral surface na pidona, sternum, and side na pidona, pleura. Pleura do, sternum ga targam kada, joined with the help of a membranous structure called as arthrodial membrane na pi hydroid. Yareko, now, let's focus on the structure. I structure to torapontan hana yela kiko so that you will understand. Makata pon minor. Yung osomda, ahan the part ko body ge. The first part is the head. Borche kitang DPA. So this is the head part. The head part of the cockroach has got 2 big compound eye. Compound eye and ear. I'm going to put here, one here, another one here. Compound eye khambra. Equally, simple eye name. A simple eye. Simple eye name. More than like compound eye. A pick pa eye name. The Punjalaga Jova eye. No siendo. This day in a Machama is it. Macha amount sinane. Image. Machet with you. See Machana Machirama. Next to the Machirama. Machirama Pusala. So we may some siendo. Adune compound eye. What part I'm doing? In the head region, we'll be able to see two large compound eye, and you will also be able to see a long two antennae. Antennae say which are sensory in nature. My mathose sense organ to detect any changes happening in the environment. See antennae. This is the compound eye here. Amom lokthara yela kiniko kya pagam mako khata laina se akale yare ko now head loitardi neck atin bang diyaw head rasana but neck se udri se kai no haitardi it is covered by a big segment of the thorax. Thorax is over segment amna covered to triangular segment amna. This first segment of the thorax region is what we call as prothorax cytosis name. Prothorax will be followed by what is this? Mesothorax. Then comes the metathorax. So these three segments together form the thorax region from the thorax region se sisana direct head with the thangale. Aduna never neck region to cover below. Then comes the last part of the cockroach, that is abdomen. So this is the abdominal portion, which is divided into how many segments? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 10 super segments. On the 10th segment, in both male and female cockroach animata, there is an extension. I'm going to put the extension with another color so that you can easily see. Extension is there. What extension? This gets segmented. Segmented extension. Jurama. This side and this side. This is called anal cerci. What is this? Anal cerci. Muna tao ko. Anal cerci di kana de yaw ba. Male dasu, female cockroach dasu, ano yaw they are sensory in structure. Sense organ kya sure usi popra. So sense organ sense organs. Ani sure anal cerci su sense organs. Now makata dringay da I see se sumaina ibada kai kai. This is prothorax. Can I put P here? Mesosi ay MES otang irage. Yani ko. Sina metathorax META is my irage. This is the metathorax name. Yani ko. In the thorax region we have two structures. One is 3 pairs of walking leg and 2 pairs of wing. Wing jura nimaga, leg jura hum way oil. Let me start with the leg. Leg hana ye kyun consider. Leg se kai de thule prothorax ki jagah de ma, mesothorax de ma, metathorax de ma. Yani ko. Okay. Prothorax they told even let's see prothoracic leg coil. I don't matang sa sana level the hosi prothoracic leg. Hore loy paminer to ni NCR loy on the then mesothorax tagi amuk we have another pair of leg. Mesothorax ki jagah de mesothoracic leg coil. So this one represents the mesothoracic leg. So you see from if you think if I'm like that from idea is high. Metathorax ki jagah se amuk another one. Sino? Okay. Meta, thoracic. Kitang pikman bra maning kangbu. Sir ni easy kitang pikman bra. Kaya sa bra. Yare. Yare ko. So on the thorax region, what do you see? We see 3 pairs of walking legs. From the 3 out the ko. Although I problem talk about legs in a side and the yeke, wings in a side and the yeke. Although Jurane the Kubiro. Yare ko. Jose wings stick I out the wings the ani, Jurani. Legs na hum. Yare ko. Wings se kai way the yauge that the wings is present in the mesothorax and metathorax region. Your prothorax the yauge. Yare ko. So let me draw the wings with another color. Color I'm use the we use this one. Mesothorax the outoni, the what pro mesothorax ka junction set say to. So I'm going to draw this way. Okay? Hangdo on ge. Wait a second. Wing ani se uroi ba aman amak kumjal le una bai hangdo on ge ba na. Yare ko. Shida prothorax ka mesothorax ka gi junction sida yauriba wing se. This wing here is called mesothoracic wing ko. Isi se kai ko with tekmina in ko. Tekmina or elytra so ko ni. Tekmina or elytra. My mathau se kai na not for flight, final na just for protection. Yare ko. Sidam ta thasalam ke problem nahi ta na ba. This is opaque. Opaque way, transparent na city. And it is meant for what? Protective in function. My mathosi protective way of doing it. Then between the meso and the metathoracic, sina 4 wings, mamangi wings to ko. Asigi anisi marakta again, we have another wing. Silagi wings samgalay, a big wings here. Atuso ay karat saw yeke. Here. Okay, the yauriba wings se sisana hind wings ni. Hind wings. Remember, this wing is transparent. See the transparent oiny, and it is meant for flight. Though cockroach cannot fly to long distance, and this already five na. Adu pai do mathak sinan te makhari sinan. Yare ko. Kay dong na ba? For flight. Pai with the mating pang do. Yare ko. So what do you see in the thoracic region? We will be able to see a pair of 2 pairs of wings and 3 pairs of walking legs walk me and smile high go. Yareko, matang thamgisi sumaina. So these are all about the morphological structures in it. Atopa kay hapsan bayari, hapsan si karako. Kano high get on the guy of okay. I hapatang padam geko, matim katang. Female or a was it a male the female the canava? Cockroach sexual dimorphism sort of sexual dimorphism sort of body male cockroach na kay female cockroach na kay mas yeng ay dahil ko ko nabi. Ngare ko female or a female or amtari horrend wings na cover to si wings is considered to wings na cover to the entire 10 abdomen si cover to up to size ga si buktan cover to. Ngare ko certain segment of the 10 segments kita makha sa thalay mini skirt set in the period. Those are full cushion deal. Pull up cushion magana kana male oido. Yareko. So as it makha kitang kumthara kige male the female the kana can I get music? Can I send slide? Slide change okay ba adum tham gige na ye mama gi e se so e se adum. Now Jose Sarna high give do cockroach kai shot oiba cockroach also so sexual dimorphism sort of cockroach. Dimorphism. Dimorphism in the sense that male and female can be externally distinguishable. The male the female the sekai the female the nose. Dorsal side issue can as well as lateral side the English can. So let us start with the dorsal view. Dorsal view the male proximal lower female proximal lower camera provided masnabli hydroid kamay yung sige si ko sunda yung biro. What is an arcano yardi? Everyone look here. This is the seventh segment. Seventh super segment whenever sir you say. Female the seventh segment is too large. These are the seventh segment say. It is too large that it almost covers the 8 and the 9 segment say. Covered the almost. This is 8 and this is the 9 segment. The 7th segment almost covers the 8 and 9 segment to cover the 8 and 9 segment of then comes the last segment. Okay? Sina kya super segment? 10 super segment. Masai 10 super segment na kaya male to female so. Okay? Hapsan get the I anal cerci yaw do na tra. So I'm going to put anal cerci here. Okay, so this is anal cerci. Horen manung parak namni direct NCRT da exactly the yaw ba adubu NCRT da yaw do sidagi on to modify to for give. Kanano san yi se. Female cockroach from the dorsal view. Male di masa kamay to jano mo so male di masa na in male, the 7th segment is almost normal, not much big like that of the female with minor chongde. The 8 is little bit smaller in comparison with the 7. 9 is again big, and then comes the minor. And the 7 na 8 ka 9 kasi almost covered to maba kanano ko na. 7 super segment na 8 9 segment se almost covered to salam tari kanaw ito na ba. Female uksalam dragadi male ito ba. Yari ko kay no sani isi. Okay? NL cerci. Male oiram tardi muna taw ko. Male oiram tardi 9 super segment sila gina. Another 2 extension arises. Extension ani mas may yaw. From which segment? From the 9 segment. NCRT the 9 segment hanapan di ko. This structure is called anal style. Anal style is now in population ni matamda sina female di bono or open to ni. Asili matingo. What is this structure? Sina kay ni ba? Anal style ko sina. So remember, anal style is in only in Canada katayaw na anal style sina. Nail katayaw na rin. Adi dorsal na yung bring nga na pure ko. Sina anal style. And you will be able to see these things only in male cockroach na katayaw. Sina dorsal view na yung bring. Yari ko. Lateral view mo yung bring. Sa kamay to yung Let's see how will the male and the female lateral view of male and female cockroach looks like. Consider female oiram tardinen lateral view la both set structure and form there. This is 7. Sida yam chaw mo yoshe. Chawram na picture this hai. Chaw ri ba se kya super segment na. 7 super segment le. 7th segment being large. It makes appearance of both set whatever laterally and the lateral view the female di kayo ba both set. Especially both set or is karamba segment no haragadi 7 super segment to them. We are talking about female. Male there is no such bulging, just spindle shape. Spindle shape Heidi almost normally tamna tum picture here. Direct yam solve like she's lateral beauty difference oil. CD yam kang the sui ko NCRT the yaw way. Only thing NCRT the could yaw 7 super segments yam saw way aduna board 7 appear ko hili. Adu katani yaw this. Yarni ko she chaw to iba jaga se. She ki jaga se 7 8 9 swai jaga se ne horen generating powers na. Reproductive organs, reproductive opening, anal opening, everything will be present in this segment. So, I say all this. Sisna male the female the Canada. Male the female, guide the Canada in details, Mahale Toser. Positive just morphological. Male the anal style yawi, female the yawi. Male the seven suba segment do there is no bulging. Talk from cam like almost 7, 8, and 9. Why kita ni ki 8 ka nang do, but yam satina pick body. Whereas in female the 7 segment is too large that it makes the appearance of it gives the appearance of body set to the overall cockroach structure to the body set when it appears properly in higher or in the body. There you go. Shall I change the slide? Here you go. Now, you want to say, makok katang tapela yings. Cockroach makok ka age ko. Makok ka sulong masado chung malay niyam sa tini ade. Sir, na yeng sa cockroach, ako'y do answer lang cockroach ni ko. Ako'y do answer na ini, kaya yawe, makok ta. Two large compound eye. Compound eye are made up of many smaller eye coalesce. Simple eye may am na punja lakan the same done. Yare ko sima. Hanakan muna tago kitang luba ni. Luba di yaman na luba ni. Sige makok sida ne. To the anterior side, mamang long this side sila, you will be able to see two sockets. Kitang punta lo jaga ani ko unim. One here and another here. Okay? From this socket arises long antennae. Antennae se tholok to ne smaina. Reko. Ay NCRT da kyang palang brena antennae se smai action biram. Antennae se same part on the side. Reko ay three part ka kyang haiser ro. So this part represents the antennae. Sine antennae smai like. Reko. Similarly, antennae se socket am de thole. So this is the socket here. Similarly, asom side aso smai antennae se yaw do ni. Long antennae here. Yaraba. Yangko, question Hazaran lay Rusila. Satana Park Moyo. Cockroach has what? Two compound eye and two simple eye. Tumra. Sumera. Compound eye, do simple eye on the former's fuse or Shemera. Question that's my hangera. Cockroach has option number 1, two large compound eye. Option number 2, two simple eye. Option number 3, both 1 and 2 high. Both 1 and 2 one side. Kay dino dia kusila. Compound eye ani sige nakan sida ne. Well, I will use another color. Compound eye sige nakan sida another two simple eye anim sung yauri. Yani ko. Sige simple eye ani si NCRT da morning sumai harami oscillus side. Yani ko. This two simple eye here, this green color. I will simply use the term simple eye when I get horen hanga asukang nawa. Simple eye si maming kay ko bibo ano oscillus ana kaule me. Oscillus spelling se kaka yenge sir. Yare ko asmaya asigo yare ko atang thamige machin ke shi kem hapa kiroide mare hapa ke machin si ai pula ki ong na bose baha da be ko masai makok se segment kya na sare ya makok ki segment mari do pa gyong segment na mati mati pek to ko few store me sige makok se ko you will see a triangular structure amasai unib. Okay, I shall use dotted line. Smaina. We have seen two segment here. Segment ani mo ba? Ere ko. Sige segment ani sige maming kay ko gamda epicranial pieces go. Like the maming yaudam ni ko. This is only to count the number of pieces or segment do count on the katanin sa na. Actually say this is epicranial pieces. Then, asi anito kita di sila achobo dole horabyung sila achobo segment nam laire. Sige achobo segment sige maming na we call it fronts. Okay, ko ba? Fronts. Below the fronts, you will be able to see another segment. Segment nam gos ba yung unib. This segment is called as clypeus. term names if father should go. Let's just count the number. Machine count already. Castle for the fragments. Segments percent. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 should go. 4 should go. Side ni 1 and 2. Kattensalan get yepon wainaba. This two side segment anisna we call it Gina. This is Gina. So together there are 6 segments of bullet. Repeating, I am tanga hangin na tao ko. Moy names na bullet fused or sarvadam ni ko. Akoy gi skull so am fused with them. So this is 1, 2, a big 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 segment na side head to. Na side head reason sila kayaw. Head also causes mouth. Mouth ding ang real se mouth part han taki segment taruk sila han kango. Segment taruk se NCRT dali maming ang tapan deba. Aduna akoy gi mathobi head is made up of 6 segment doy. Maming ang par do suya ni ba ko. Aduna kham na ba na sir na. Kano to ba natraga na noy hen an nuai na ba sir minus samjal su sangden ke ko. So this part segi part simulated. We have this big part. We have another one here. Adoga next ki ani siba. Here ko. Now mouth part mukala gyung. Sila tong taksam ge. Nuai na ba? Mouth part sing do nai na rena. Adu part among do push alo ina napsan ge. Ko sila ina. Adu na light o male. Here ko. Coming to the mouth parts. Cockroach to kay mouth part yawi yingsi. Ahanbada upper lip, lower lip yawi ko. Upper lip ki masap se hana yelak yung sila. Upper lip looks like this. Like kahapit manner ko. Kitang asing badu hana yelak ke. So this is how the upper lip looks like. Upper lip se maming kay kawi. We call it labrum. Hina ko. Yere ko. I swipe the extra yana bayam changchala roige or upper lip. Sa the serious she hitting if I'm like upper lip. Yare ko side up muna to. Nakanda you will find 2 structures. Which get incised chitinous teeth manba. Yare ko zigzag soy of a structure ni mo. Yes, this 2 structure is called mandible, which is meant for grinding the food. Yare ko. So sina kay ko ba? Mandible haina ko. Pai khada hangba yai se. Cockroach ta labrum na kaya yawi. Mandible na kaya yawi. La yare ko sumay na. Ada her maxilla na kaya yawi na may hangdori. Ako makata yes sir. Next we have the next part. Patangi part yung mission din yung kusda. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, this is called maxilla. Maxilla hanatago ko. Yam lai zani. Tiam lai bani kam ludam. Maxilla, I will put this side. Some side to yom doni. Some side kito something hapsan ji. One here. Another one. This one. Maxilla da yaw riba. Sigi extensions na maxillary pops go. Yare ko. Maxilla gi mathong sila. To push the food into the mouth. Mouth ka asina pilot na alu hapsan do. Hapsan ipo to side ki mandibles na grind to. Grind hai ko ke crush to do. Yare ko. Ula kiye ngai ko. Now, makharom da upper lip lai dik kai lai ne. Lower lip lai redra. Lower lip am taga hap siya ngai ko. So the lower lips look something like this. Sina lower lips ni. Lower lips na kay kawik we call it labium. Hay na kawik. Labium the soup pop yawi. 1, 2, 3 coordinate pops. Okay, yani. Ngayon, may hindi ka na kinumin lang mo emoji kayo. Okay, what is the upper lip po? Upper lip, labrum, lower lip, labium. I heard you about. See, upper lip never. Yare ko. Now, upper lip sa maya sa mga katuto ni upper lip, makakami yung gino ko. Aduga, kana na pulok sila to. May sila na pulok sila lip. Pulok sila lip to kana na grind out na. Press out na. Mandible na. Press out kaya kahit tara ni. Kahit tara ni, lower lip to tara ni. Hanggang na to. Put sit sasala ni. Char kanda mandible na grind or ni. Whatever the food that get pressed falls on the lower lip. What is? Lower lip means floor do tara ni ba? What is the floor ko? Kahit labium na tara ko. Tara al kanda sasan di bang chandra. Sasan na tang ang bayo. Ko, I will show you that tongue part kung mo ulap kayo sila. Mayay sila. There is a tongue part here. This tongue part is called hypopharynx. So this is hypopharynx. Hypopharynx. This is nothing but the tongue of cockroach. 여러분, 시매함세 파이러시 납찬도네요. 여러분, 납찬는 마tamda cockroach 스마일 레벨에서 아코이 건설다가 파트에 우로요. 파트가 우니바이 부가다 파트 그 합쳐게요. 합버로이 해주야래고 시 풀랍시 까이데 역도바 시다 에 합법경 합법. 합드링아이다 시기 파트만 하는 거. 그잖아 뭐뭐다 뭐뭐다 바왜. 여기서 양 라이브네 upper lip, labrum, lower lip, labium. 여러분, the side. What is the job of mandible? To press the food. Whatever the food that get crushed falls on the floor colles, labium the tharni, and those crushed food will be taken into the digestive tract with hello hypopharynx. Imating option below. Although food to later, had to collect on the chamina, other collection to the maxilla na collect to and the selection yawn by extension say maxillary paps go. The superbs are all. 여러분, 호직 아이 노이시기 파트에 강해 하르가디 아이시 파트 기타 삼자는 게 있다. 마사 가만히 또 이행시. 얌 삼베야로 레브라마마 삼마니 영어 호직 포크레스 마이 이라이라. 아리 우도시 아퍼립 같은 로어 립 우로. 형브로 너 다리 이네 막꼭 또 원살라가 아도이 다리 아퍼립 거 오니 로어 립들이 마닝놈들 내로이드로 로어 립 우로이고 아나 아이시기 파트 아마무 같은 납게 하나 յան तारे 하나 나오라 간도이는 나빠나더니 알고 Okay, machunan napsi. Problem talk tanaba. See labrum se pora again. So labrum will be put here. So this is the labrum. Yani ko. Labrum se smile ere. Aduga side ki mandible se uroiba. Mandible this my manung de yaudan ever side da. Yani ko. But sigi maxilla se di ugo fangi. Maxilla se ren yaw pa kanda smile pura kani maxilla se. Maxilla will be seen here. Maxilla sida yawa maxillary pouch su uni sumaina udo atopa part uro kai no ulisa labrum ga maxilla udo yare ko am khaksu yeba makada sigi labium se magi su maxillary part thingatra asisu une sigi haproi yare ko ana noina hamen asmai makanda confusion laini hai tardi head part to khakama yedana aduga mouth parts na tongan yesu yai yare ko so this part is what hello labrum and what do you see on the side you will be able to see the maxilla no other part will be visible from the front tagi atopa part ti uo phangaroi habanida yani na asimadi reaction ba phara khale sir sire loira thara ko buri ya ba ai na pen ta to lok thuk ya ba china sa ai no pi te thamde thame mo thar nga si dia ro thar bai for te pen 시복시 과외 인식과 그만의 NCRT가 이리게 누구라네 누구라네 얘기하면 당시들이 기땅 양들에요 기땅 양들 누구 너무 따나 봐라 그게 말씀도 좀 해주기 번 아이씨 거네 거거 뭐 아니 So epicranial is 2 in pieces. This is 1 in pieces. This is 1, and gina is 2 in number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Together, 6 segments or over. So this mandible is 2 in number. Labrum is 1 in number. Hypopharynx is 1 in number. Labium is 1. And maxilla is 2 in number. The mouth part kya yawe? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mouth parts yawe. Yeah, mouth. Amaga hugi last one na. Okay. She yekpa loire hai tari kai set. Haba tang oi nek ne manu ga yaw ni na ma ya. My manak se hayeng aina digestive system ka pa am nungai na ta habo ge. My manak se there is an opening of duct am open to em. Yani ko this duct is none other than the opening of the salivary gland. Okay ko salivary gland ki opening ne ana hayeng ai digestive system yekpa ka the salivary gland sa ho ge. Sir nahan ye kibudo hai na. What is this? Opening of salivary gland. Opening of salivary gland की opening ni hai do. Salivary gland. यार सर मैं salivary chains नत्रगना पामिना किसी अदुगा मो ये से को अमा ये से नंग नी बो अमतंग पारे यंग से को कमने इरिगे लाइक ता है. Okay. होगलक सरुपसिदी just मांगी identification गुम्बने के फ्री ऑफ गबनी. Cockroach are brown or black bodied animal. Cockroach to kai mutu oidian di hangaroi na. Included in the phylum Arthropoda. Okay, Pitrida fighting machine ambaji basicana. Kai phylum na. Large phylum. Why that's something here? Because most of the arthropods are omnivorous. They are covered by chitinous wall. They have jointed legs for easy mobility. So these species enable them to have large numbers. Continue look here. Bright yellow and red green colored cockroaches have also been reported in tropical region. Sidi kitang khangjan beya unique oibanina. Yellow machu oiba, red or green machu gi cockroach tropical area sing the phangye. Tropical area di. Tell me one example of tropical forest. Amazon rainforest. Tropical area the maximum biodiversity from is Amazon rainforest is one of them. Other than the maximum like especially man mean to say Amazon rainforest their sizes ranges from half that is 1/4 inch to 3 inch. So I say I kitang kalagi harada. Em talle sa ipa se. Long antennae, aniyawni, legs, and flat extension of the upper body wall that conceal head. Hay say upper body wall adi kana upper part of the body thorax. Thorax na head to overlap to hay conceal to hay lower level almost half the time. So triangular gan tangkayan kung grane. They are nocturnal. They are nocturnal. They active during night. Omnivorous. They normally live in damp places. They have become residents of human homes and thus are serious pests and vectors of several diseases. Okay, question option number 1. Sumaina. Cockroach came on. Cockroach are also vectors for many diseases. True or false? Cockroach disease carry to mamma. Yani ko apat pa kung mamma tamay kung salura na ako'y sana tong kumangtar di na so do carry to kaya chances kayo na. Choose out the vector-borne disease carry to yung vectors kaya choose out to mosquitoes, fly, cockroach pisalera, all pisalera. Yani ko incorrect kandu ka na hangzap fair. Cockroach ni man din na ko na hangay tambala. Ana hangag kidi ay ni ba so you like the army sick. The adult of the common species of cockroach, like the RC Periplaneta americani, Yare sima ay magi body structure siya may naragumsi. Okay, today horkore. The body of cockroach is segmented and divisible into three distinct regions: the head, thorax, and abdomen. Haina hum thona khaido payai. Yare ko. The entire body is covered by hard chitinous exoskeleton. Yare ko sima. In each segment, exoskeleton has hardened plates called kay kawing aside sclerites. Sclerites hai to ito tarsites dorsally le ito kay kawi targum plural tarsites hai gana sorry targum hai na singular tarsites hai na plural and ventrally le ito na sternites hai na plural lateral dudi pleurites hai do plural da hai gana yoko hai ni ko there are joined to each other. Do the dorsal piece and the ventral piece join with hello pleura where the pleura are attached with hello so they are joined to each other by a thin, flexible articular membrane. Articular is some of them thing membrane called arthrodial membranous membrane. Now, makha yengisi. Like kitang manadaba kaya yome. Antini yare compound I head yare protonum manahare protonum se alternative. Kenodo. As I said, protothorax also called protonum scoil. Yarniko. Mesothorax and kai. Metathorax, my long dog. Adisi umsina kai sadana. These three reasons will form the thorax region formed over nimoisina. Then comes the abdomen. Yareko thorax region sina kai pale wings ani pan bremo. The upper wing is called tekmina. Nasai sir natoming kai goyagi. Elytra scopula. Are they made for flight? Transparent or opaque? Opaque. Job is protection. Whereas the lower wing is meant for flight, they are transparent or hind wings. Hind wings are meant to Yare ko. Sima yarni. Sining a side anal society, the father should be the Suyongo. Macau wings it command eat again. Okay. Head is triangular in shape. Head is triangular in shape. Sumaya Kudomosai. Once I've drawn the head something like this. Sumaya Tra. Adonane triangular shape. Head is triangular and lies anteriorly at right angle. Body to the right angle. To the longitudinal body axis with the mouth directed downward. What is the condition called? What is the condition called? Hyponatrous. It is formed by head is formed by fusion of six segments and so great mobility in all direction due to flexible neck. Nasay neck yaw di na hay kita to neck si yaw di yaw ko kunjan may kudan niya. Flexible way almost 180 degree lay nga may. Yani ko 180 degree lay nga may. Flexible way mo ngumsin. The head capsule bears a pair of compound eye. Compound eye jurang yaw ko. Simple eye yaw mo di a pair of thread-like antennae arises from the membranous socket. The sinus socket any lying in front of eye. Eye dugi hek mamanga antennae ani tolei. Antennae have antennae matok se kaino sense organs them that help in monitoring the environment. Environment to the any dangerous or enemies like food like rice they are detected through the antennae. Antennae get through the detect oil. Anterior end of the head bears appendages. Head to give mama oirapna appendages yawi, which is representing the mouth. Yani ko, mouth are of kai biting and chewing type. The mouth part consists of labrum. How many? Two of them. So a labrum, upper lip amayawi, a pair of a pair of mandible for what? For what? For chewing. Okay, for chewing or crushing. A pair of maxilla for what? For taking the food in. And a lower lip called labium. Nasagi tangdo is not considered as a part of the mouth. Mouth part when considered of 6 parts in a height. A mandible, flexible lock acting as also mandible a medial mayaida ko flexible lock acting as tongue. This is called as hypopharynx. Lies within the cavity. Mari hore manung dani yaw this cavity manung dula. enclosed by the mouth part. Question laga. May I only have. Yariko sibogda. The head is connected with the thorax by a short extension of the prothorax known as the neck. So neck is just the extension of prothorax extension. Ahamba segment to be thorax the ahamba segment to be extension is hiding. Yariko. Is thoracic segment be as a pair of walking leg? Every thoracic segment to the leg, but do every thoracic segment produce wings? Mesothorax ka, metathorax ka only. But segment to the the first pair of wings, call as the first pair of wings call as tegmina arises from the mesothorax. While the second pair, which we call as the hind wings, arises from the metathorax. The four wings, mesothoracic wings, called tegmina are opaque, dark, leathery, covered the hind wings. And the hind wings when at rest ki matamdadi kumjala layer. The hind wings, whereas anisubo wings today are transparent, membranous, and used in flight. This is important. Flight they use the way have sima. Yare ko makha yengisi. Loitore kitang harmony. The abdomen in both male and female consists of segment kya na abdomen consists of 10 segments. In female, the seventh sternum is what set? Both set, and together with the 8 and 9. But together with 8 and 9 segment forms. Oh, sorry. Maximum see 8 and 9 karamba. Sternum of the ventral surface long gita. Punjale haraga form a brood genital pouch. Some see me. Genital pouch size contentive. All the reproductive organs. Reproductive organs female to be genital opening, external genitalia, NST opening, everything will be there. Genital pouch, whose anterior part, pouch to be mamang thangba sarukta, gonopore. Gonopore is the opening of female reproductive tract. Vaginal opening. Spermatical pores. Spermatical pores is kaino hierarchy ko. Sumaina ito ang tang hayo. Horen reproductive system ye ko kamba di yani ba. Hojik te ko lay lection be yari di ba ko lay lebo ko. But look here. So ang tang hayo mo sir. See 7 suba segment do them. Okay? This is 8. This is 9. Then comes the 10 suba segment do them. These 3 segments is collectively called as 7, 8, and 9 is collectively called as genital pouch. Genital pouch sigi mamang tangba sarukta di 7 lomda kayaw hena gonopore. Horen manung dani ko kan kay ho no sa vaginal opening yaw ni. Yani ko which we call as female ki reproductive tract opening sa kay ko ba gonopore yaw. Yani ko there is another chamber am yaw. Chamber se kamay to ge na thok tadi. Horen reproduction toraka sexual reproduction sida male partners say sperm thazalatunina. Sperm is temporarily stored in a sac on the store toilet. That sac is called spermatheca. Sperm stored on the khawni. Kanasna spermathecasna. And glandula ang gayawni. Ay gland to so hayeng mo na taxi anatomy ni narakanda collateral glands. Pwede hojik yun na chimpa pudar. Genital pouch ke gayawni. Gonopore spermatheca ne collateral glands ne. Hoy hum se yawi. Muna tao po. Genital pouch in female is 7, 8, and 9 segment. 7 segment and 8 and 9 dorsal segment. 8 and 9 okay, we have me. Those sternum no. So ventral segment. Assisting the hungry yard. However, male that you can kind of cakes. Male the hierarchy was sir. Look here. In male, the genital pouch or chamber lies at the hind end of abdomen. Dorsally by dorsal 9 and 10 targa. Dorsal targam and ventrally by 9 sternum. Dorsal 9 ga 10 ka segment duga ventral gi 9 duga na semi hai male na to asigi segment sidi chama putri aur kitani luni ko khara toina part di it contains male na kai kai yawi dorsal anus genital pore ventral sidi pandasu yani ko genital pore and gonopophysis. Gonopophysis is na external genitalia penis to pala haira erni ko ana cockroach the penis when the direct like the ko chitin structure ma like which acts as the external genitalia when echo that external genitalia of cockroach is called as gonopophysis ko adu su kai da yaw ni haina hojiki pause da kana form to pause 9 10 on the dorsal side and 9 on the sternum in the sense that ventral side na yare ko sema male bears male bears a sword thread-like anal style yaw yare ko anal style se kai yaw ge se NCR dimension from the things like chromo segmentation 9 dagi 10 da yaw ni muta adu ma khunjan bitare anal style which are absent in female okay however in both the sexes the 10 segment bears a pair of jointed filament structure called anal side animal tadi anal side yaw ni hayo lori kai no sida yara bose yung masagi mouthpart to ID labrum do ye pakanda sumai ye kimne labrum do sumai ye kimne ma di pull up fuse to when ye yarni ko sisu ai sumai ne ye kidam ne labium sisu yare ko labium su sumai ye kimne sisu ne mai fusion ka lai yare ba adu ai ho masai sila sila mongon da su pepili me Mouths me hon ge ai ne ye ka anoi planning of hard office writing my diffusion mumming am the tholam deva phazana details so mumming tholam da badi okay sigi di tholing sai di head ki parts in the mumming thon dena ana 6 segment yawe tan phabi ros maina sigi nakan sila kai opening yawe gi sarna se library gland ki ana sarna ran diaphragm se me obukan maya ka la horani maya de manung ta se library gland opening de opening aduna ik panu gen to ni da oren makha du da nei na ko ma tam nu mai da yaraba sila so that's all about the morphology morphology sai rani na rani ko will start from anatomy mata le anatomy lo sibu program